Hey, my friend, I wonder what would happen if I took my camera, reset all the settings, and then put the mode dial to auto, and then went and shot a high school football game. I wonder what the results would be like. Are you interested? Let's go find out. So in this video, here's what I'm doing. I'm currently at a football game, just arrived, I'm in the parking lot, ready to get my stuff, go out to the field. But what I did before I came to the game was I reset my camera to the factory settings, back to basically how it would be if I took it out of the box when I first purchased it. And I'm doing this for all those just getting started in sports photography and wondering, can I just shoot with the camera straight out of the box?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Season Opener Autofocus School.
Now let's get to the meat of the video. How well did my camera do when I gave it permission to make all the settings, all the choices when it came to shooting high school football? I'll give you one little clue. After about 66, 70 images, I couldn't take it anymore, and I had to take control of my camera and put it in manual mode. Anyway, let's check out these images and we'll see how they came out. Those images are prime examples of why you should not let your camera do all the thinking for you when it comes to sports photography. All right, that's it for this video, everybody. And if you do have the Sony a7 IV and you're interested in how to set that camera back to the factory settings, check out this video right there. Other than that, thanks for joining me, everybody, and get out and shoot.